Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today, I will show you a tutorial about how to create purchase orders with planning. In previous, we had created a purchase requisition from material planning. Then, we can base on the requisition data to create a purchase order. Okay, let's start signing into the system, and then click the top right menu icon to open the menu page. In previous, the purchase requisition data is a fabric item. So, we go to Fabric PO to create a purchase order. On the top of the menu, click the block named Transactions. You will find the purchase block, click it, then, click the Fabric PO to go to the Orders interface. That is the Fabric PO interface. Let's import data from the purchase requisition. Click the top right corner option, and then click Import from Purchase Requisition. It is an import list page. You can see the top of the page. There are some searching criteria to search items which looking for. Below that, it is a result list. By default, all items on the list are shown that are not handled yet, which means these items require to purchase but are not handled yet. Before import, I want to show a supplier quote function in the material master. This function allows you to save the purchase quote price and recall in purchase order. Let's go to the material F01S master. It is the material master interface. Go to the supplier tab. There has a supplier record. Let's click it to review the details. This supplier name is Kelo Yang, and the quote price is 2 renminbi per yard. Okay, let's go back to the purchase order and try to get this quote when creating an order. Since the F01 has a Kelo Yang supplier record, we go to the first tab and input the supplier for this order. Click the supplier lookup icon, and then select Kelo Yang. Okay, we go to re-import the items. Import all of them. Okay, the items are imported into orders. You can see that the price of items is set to $2. In addition, if the quantity of items does not reach the minimum order quantity, you can click the assortment quantity icon to increase the quantity. But it does not less than the quantity on the requisition tab, otherwise not enough to distribute reversed automatically. The next tab, Shipment, you can input multiple shipment here, with different address and shipment date. The next tab, Purchase Requisition, it is all imported data from material planning, and you can see the source orders number. For example, Purchase Requisition Order, Sales Order and Manufacture Order. The next tab is Reservation, but it is not available yet until the order approved. The next tab is Reminder, but it is not available yet until the order created. The next tab is Upload. You can upload relative document file linked to orders. The next tab is Price Comparison. You can compare the price between current order and master, and prevent too high or too low. After that, we can save the orders and get a new order number. Before Approval Document, let's go to Reservation tab, to review the reserve information. You can see that there has no information. It is because the document does not confirm or approval yet. So, let's approval the order. Go to Reservation tab again. You can see that the reserved quantity is activated in the system. and the requisition of the order number and quantity. Okay, let's preview the printout. This is the printout. Here, I do not describe the preview function. If you want no more detail, please find the video from information tag in the top right corner. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.